How to change the community admin in WhatsApp. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the community admin in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Now tap on the community group. Then tap on one of the groups inside the community. Next, tap on the group name at the top. Scroll down and find the contact you want to make an admin. Tap on their name, then select Make Group Admin. Now go back and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Here, you will see options like Community Info, Invite Members, and Community Settings. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.